Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Akansha. A very happy Valentine's Day to everyone. In this video, I'm going to create this full glam makeup look for an evening date. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, so please keep on watching. And also before that, please make sure to watch my intro. So let's start. I will be using my emulsion here, and this is by a brand a Sonjung 10 Free Moist Emulsion. So I've already done my skincare here, and I really can't stress guys how much skincare is crucial before you actually hop on into makeup. So I will be taking a 2-3 pumps of this emulsion. I will be applying it all over my face. Now we are going for a very glowy, dewy, juicy look for this makeup. So I'm using my Farasali liquid glass elixir. So basically the motive of this elixir is to give you a very radiant skin. So it is also enriched with hyaluronic acid. So you can see this product plumps up my skin, and honestly guys, I spent 1750 rupees for this product, but it was kind of a little disappointment for me. So yeah, I just expected a little more from this product. So if you do not want to spend that much into a glowy primer, you can definitely opt for Squalene. So I will be filling up my brows here. Before that, I brush out my eyebrows. So I will be using my old mascara wand for this step. Now once I've done that, I will be taking a dark brown color and I will be filling up my eyebrows with it. And also I will be drawing a random strokes at the very beginning of my eyebrows to give it a very natural look. I will be repeating the same step onto the other eyebrows. Now then I will be taking a black color and I will be enhancing my arc with it and only applying the black color onto the lower ends of my brows. Yeah, so once I'm happy with it, I will be taking the old mascara wand once again. I will be brushing out my brows with it. For this look, I'm going on with a concealer. I won't be using foundation for this look. So this concealer is my all-time favorite. It's by Elegirl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade yellow. So talking about my undertone, I do have a little bit of yellow or golden undertone to my skin. So any concealer or corrector with yellow hue to it definitely suits my skin. So I will be using this concealer and I will be brushing out my eyebrows with it. The concealer is pretty pigmented. It retails for around 695 rupees. It's a steal deal, guys. The pigmentation is so good. It's waterproof and you get 39 different shades to choose from. The downside of this concealer is the brush tip. I don't know, whenever you try and squeezing the concealer out, if you don't be careful, it will be like splashing out everywhere. So yeah, I will be applying the concealer only to the higher points of my face, that is the bridge of my nose, a little bit center part of my face, cupid's bow, chin, around my lips, and also to those stubborn babies. So basically, these are the post acne scars. Like most of them are gone, but I do have a little bit left. Now, for blending my concealer, I will be using my foundation brush. This is by PAC, and I'm in the variant 252. So yeah, you're free to use a beauty blender if you feel like, but I wanted a little high coverage, so I will be going on with my brush. And also this brush is pretty amazing. It's by PAC, and it does not, the best part about this brush is that it does not leaves any streaky lines. So this is a pretty good brush. So I have kept this video in real time. I'm not fast forwarding so that you can see my hand movements. Like you have to be very careful while using a brush. You do not have to drag the brush. You have to use a stripling motion while you apply or blend the concealer. So once I am done with that, I will be moving on to my eyeshadow palette, and the one which I've currently purchased is by Beauty a Glazed palette. Yeah, I finally got this palette. The internet have been raving about this palette, all the beauty gurus, makeup gurus. So yeah, I will be taking a burnt orange shade from this palette onto my fluffy brush, and I will be applying it all over my lid. And you can see, oh my god, the pigmentation is so pretty, and also there is no fallout. Now I will be squeezing my brush, and I will be applying it to my lower lash line like this. Yeah, once I've done that, I will be using my concealer onto the center part of my lid, and I won't be cut creasing, like I won't be cutting my crease, but I'm just applying it onto the center of my lid, so that I will be applying a glitter after that, so that the glitter pops up. So I will be using this glitter, a little copper tone glitter, and I will be applying onto the center parts of my lid. Then I will be using this red glitter, and also the glitters are pressed glitter, so you don't need any glue for applying them. So you can see it looks so pretty. Yeah, once I've done that, I will be taking my smudging brush, and I will be smudging my lower lash line with the burnt orange shade which I've initially took. So I will be taking that, and I will be smudging out my lashes with it. Then I will be taking my highlighter. This highlighter is from Sivana, no, it's from Miss Claire, the shimmer brick, and I will be taking the topmost part and will be applying it only to the inner corners of my eyes. Then for the mascara, we are going for the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Talking about this mascara, it does not adds volume to your lashes. However, it does lengthens your lashes. And ta-da! I have my lashes on. Then I will be using my setting powder to set my face. For that, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me, and I am in the shade light medium. And also I won't be using a lot of powder to set my face, because I do have a glowy base going under on, and if I add too much powder to my face, then it will be mattifying my base, which I don't want. Then I will be using my blush, and this is by a brand SFR, and I am in the variant Naked Apricot. You can see the pigmentation of this blush is so pretty. You can definitely skip your contour and bronzer when you're using this blush. So yeah, you can see it looks so pretty, so natural, and also very sun-kissed. I will be using the blush onto the cheeks, just applying a little bit onto my foreheads, my jawline, to the neck, and to my chest as well. Make sure to apply a little bit blush onto your nose to give that pop-up color. Now we are moving on to our lips. So for lips, I will be using my lip liner, and I got this lip liner from Purple, and this is by a brand Bella Vesta, and the variant is Sweet Nectar. It has a very pinky undertone to this liner, and it glides on very smoothly. So for my lipstick, I will be using the Lakme Absolute, and this is in the variant Coral Sense. So it does says that it has a coral orange undertone, but however this lipstick has a pink undertone to it, which is perfectly fine, because I am wearing a red top, so this does suit my color theme. Yeah, so once I'm done with that, I will be moving again to my highlighter palette, which is by Miss Claire, as mentioned. So I will be taking a flat brush. So this is by a brand Vega, and I don't like using fan brush for my highlighter. I don't really like it. So I will be using the brush to draw a exclamation mark onto my nose. I will be applying it onto my cupid's bow around my chin, on the cheekbone. So basically, you're supposed to apply the highlighter onto the highest points of your face where the light hits naturally. So for my face, like my cheeks and my collarbone, I will be using a little bigger brush. So I'll be taking the highlighter onto my cheeks, my collarbone, and yeah. So you can see this looks turned out to be so pretty. But I somehow feel no Valentine's makeup look is complete without a bold red lipstick. So yeah, let's just swap it. Ta-da! So this shade is also from the Lakme Absolute shade range. This is in the variant Red Revival. So yeah, this looks turned out to be so pretty. You can choose the lipstick according to your preference. All for today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below. I would love to read them. Bye.